Hello, everyone. My name is Suji. Today, I want to share my peaceful morning. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is good for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's begin. Every morning, I wake up at 6:30. The room is quiet. The light is soft. I sit up in my bed and take a deep breath. I feel calm. Then I stand up and stretch my body. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth slowly. I wash my face with cool water. It helps me feel fresh and awake. After that, I walk to the kitchen. I make a simple breakfast. I eat toast with butter. Sometimes I eat an apple or a banana. I drink a warm cup of tea. While I eat, I look out the window. The sky is bright. The day feels new. I feel ready to start my day. Next, I choose my clothes. I wear comfortable clothes. If the weather is cold, I wear a jacket. I comb my hair and smile. Before leaving, I check my bag. I take my phone, my keys, and my wallet. Then I put on my shoes and step outside. This is my peaceful morning. Thank you for listening. Now tell me, what do you do in the morning? See you in the next lesson.